To share a story, you will have been given an email with a link in it, or perhaps you've come from another web page where a button takes you to this page. At the top you get the opportunity to choose a project. In this case I've put Other and then HVISA 2019 because that's what we're working on at the moment. You've been asked a question just here, and thinking of that question, I'm now going to share a story about technology and the future of work. This story is about being at the swimming pool and meeting a guy who's developing driverless cars and how he's assuming that there'll be a living wage to take up the slack when people don't have work. I've given it a title, and down here I've made some choices. I have the opportunity to not share the story word for word if I don't want to. That will mean that anyone seeing this data from this particular instrument won't see any of the text I share. I've now got some multi-choice questions about my experience. So I'm thinking about my experience as I go through these questions. The first type of tool that I need to put some more interpretation around have a triangle shape, and I'm just going to move this ball across to where I'm thinking it fits best with my story. So I'm putting here a number of choices, just moving that ball around. I'm thinking about it being something bigger than myself, somewhere between following rules and getting the job done. I do have meaningful work. This is about the future. Now there's some slider bars. For these you move the ball left and right. I'm being a little success oriented. I'm a bit stronger than I would expect. I don't have full control. And I think this environment is pretty well unstructured. I now have 3 questions which ask 6 question words. I'm thinking this is about the purpose of work and about cars, more about processes than it is about time. And I don't have anything further to add here. I'm thinking this is a negative story, that work generally is slowly getting better. It's rare but not uncommon. It involves a startup, an executive and the wider community. I'm in this role. I'm choosing some questions here, some options to indicate what I might have spoken about or he might have spoken about if we spent longer in our conversation. I'm putting in my age and my gender and some further details in my demographics. And then I click this button in the bottom right hand corner, click Save Story and click OK, and then OK again.